Hi, welcome to TechSR. Are you a fresher struggling to learn coding, or an experienced person who wants to enhance your coding skills, or a job seeker who is struggling to get a job in the IT field? Then this video is for you. In this video, we're going to see some of the popular platforms where we can learn and practice coding. First one is HackerRank. I will showcase you how to use HackerRank on a browser. So first we can launch the browser. We can search for HackerRank and we can use hackerrank.com. Okay, so you can use the login option by which we can sign up if you are a developer, or if any organization needs to use this site for an interview preparation, they can use a free trial or request demo and try it. So we first try the login option. So we can choose a developer option. You can use sign up if you are a new user, or you can log in. So I already have an account, so I will use a login option. So I can log in with Google. Okay, so there are three tabs are there. So first is the prepare tab, where you can prepare yourself, like you can use any algorithms or any languages you need. So if you go to Python, which I already took, so maybe we can took some other like algorithms. So it will show the basic problem to solve. Okay, you can see, right, solve my first challenge. So we can solve this challenge. It will show, we can try the sample here. So it says like 7 and 3, the output should be 10. So we can try like adding of two numbers. This is the logic we need to do. Okay, so what I am going to do is, here num1 is the input, num2 is the input. So in this method they are given hint itself. So what we can do is, we can just type. So now this should pass. Let me try this once. So this is passed. So to test the negative scenario, what we can do is, we can type something invalid like a minus b, but the expectation is a plus b. So this should throw error. Let's see. Okay, it says it is failing. Two test cases failed. So like this, you can learn the coding for various languages like Python, C Sharp, C++, Java and all, and also you can learn the algorithms as well. And one more thing you can learn is certification. So once you learned any language and you're looking for certification or any test kind of stuff, you can do these tests as well. If I go to C Sharp basics, so it will ask for basic information, so I can proceed with this and take the test I needed. So first I need to update the profile and then I can take the test. If I get the good certification, I can apply for jobs here as well. And then there's an option for compete, which is like a hackathon kind of stuff. We can compete globally, like, and they will provide some gifts as well on this. Quite a useful platform. Now we can move to the next tool. The next platform we're going to look into is HackerEarth. Let me go into the browser and explain the same. In the browser, we can type for HackerEarth, and we can use the first link as hackerearth.com. I have already signed up on this, so what I can do is, I can just go to practice, and it like interview preparation or basic programming or data structure or Python, whatever. Okay, so let me take to Python for now. So it will give the tutorials like how Python input and output works. So they will give a lot of definitions, like this is the input kind of stuffs and how we can type this, and also a lot of stuffs are covered here. And we can do the same thing for other stuffs as well, like basic programming. Like interview preparations, so they will provide a lot of interview questions which are asked in popular companies like Amazon, Facebook and all. You can also compete, like same like HackerRank, we can compete with the global hackathons provided by multiple companies. You can see, right, hackathons, competitive challenges, hiring challenges and all, and also university challenges. So you can click on start now and do this, and also you can search for jobs as well. Like they will ask to complete few challenges, and once you're done means they will give an interview for you. And you can also see the leaderboard, like we have not did any test now. So if we complete the test, we will get the ratings here. And for practice and all, there is no need of any price, so it's a free tool only. We can look into the next tool now. The next tool we are going to look into is Geeks. Let me navigate to browser and explain this. In browser we can search for Geeks, and we can go to the home page. I have already signed up on this, and this is a open source only, so we can go to tutorials and learn whatever I need. So let's say I want to focus first on any software design patterns, so this will give a lot of knowledge on. We can read and also practice as well. We can see the videos for the relevant topics. So what are the different types of factory patterns available? So it provides various topics, like we can look at the data structures, and also you can look for some courses as well. It will be price based on the course we are taking, and we can look for some programming languages like Python and all here as well. So you can take these courses and all and make use of this. And also you can search for jobs as well, like you can click on get hired and search for the jobs which are required, and if you complete any of the certification here, it will be useful to apply for these jobs. And also you can look for some practice as well, like clicking on the problems like split areas, logism. So a lot of problems they are given, you can make use of it. Okay, so we can move to the next tool. The next tool we are going to look is W3 Schools. This is a most popular tool which most of the school students would have been known. We can look into this in browser now. So this is one of the platform where we can basic stuffs and try it ourselves here itself. So we can learn HTML or whatever. Let me go into any one of the subject here. So I will take Python itself because this is what we are seeing already, or maybe we can take C# as well. So these are the topics available here, and also you can try everything here. So this is one of the basic program they given. So if I want to change something, instead of hello world, I want to say hello freshers, I can run it here itself and see the output. I don't need to have any editor installed on my machine. Once it is done, I can go back to the page and you can see list of subjects available here. So this is one of the most useful tool to learn the programming, I will say. It provides all the basic stuffs. You can also look into the exercises and practice as well. So if you go to any course, and we can take the complete course, but it's a pricing one, but it's easy to learn as it is, like we mentioned in the tutorial, and we can perform some exercises as free. So I can start any HTML exercises. So what they're asking is add a tooltip to the paragraph. So we need to, once we read this tutorials, we can perform this easily and test our knowledge. I hope these platforms will help you in learn the coding easily, and also help you in crack the interviews of the technical round without any hiccups. To get more useful information like this, subscribe to TechSR. Thanks for watching.